Ubbi brings innovation, functionality, and design to potty training. You'd usually need 3 different products to help your child through all the stages of potty training. Now, the Ubbi 3-in-1 Potty conveniently combines a potty, toilet trainer, and step stool, all in one attractive and innovative design that is comfortable, safe, and easy to use and clean. The potty's ergonomic shape ensures comfort. The integrated handles gives the child a sense of stability, and the non-slip edge is contoured to safely hold the child. It has a built-in splash guard and a deep inner bowl that is easy to remove, empty, and clean. For toilet training, remove the inner bowl and detach the seat from the stool. The seat is equipped with a back adjuster that allows a secure and easy fit onto most standard and elongated toilet seats. The bottom of the potty converts to a practical, standalone step stool. Its non-slip rubber surface and contours enable the child to reach the toilet and sink safely. The stool is sturdy and strong enough to safely support up to 200 pounds. The Ubbi 3-in-1 Potty is held together using alignment marks and clips that securely snap the toilet trainer into place on top of the stool. It comes in a range of contemporary colors and is compact and portable. It can be conveniently hung on your toilet tank using the Ubbi toilet trainer hook. The Ubbi 3-in-1 Potty brings you the convenience of a single product throughout all the phases of potty training and beyond.